Hello Vickers, how are you doing? So these are the courses, video courses on Telegram, all our videos on Telegram. I'm telling you, all our videos. You don't want to miss this offer. You can see this is a cake, a boss cake, human cake. We have two of this project. These two is on the same class, so that's how we combine some related projects, and that's boss cake. So you'll be added to this. You'll be added to the cake baking class too, where we have 5 cake videos and 2 introductory video for newbies or theory parts of baking. We have cake here. This is cow cake, chicken cake, and sweet mansion cake. You heard me right. So we have this also on the offer. Imagine all of this. Like, who does that? So you'll be getting all of these videos. I just wanted to show you just a short clip of each, but I guess see where we skip to. Okay, where we're attaching the tail of the cow. I need you to see this side. Okay, you can see that, right? Okay, that's it. Then we have this is here, right? The sweet mansion is also there. We have this onigiri face cake. This one alone has what? 10 videos. 10. You see that? That's the end of the second project. It's 2 videos. 2 projects rather. 2 projects, 10 videos. This is the second. You see that those 2 projects are in one class, which is what? Onigiri face cake. Now we have the fruit carving. This one is scarce, is rare. Don't miss it. This one is very scarce. Don't miss it. Right? You don't want to miss this. You can see that it's like the carving is just beautiful, and you're going to really learn a lot. So that's that on fruit carving. We have brave cartoon. This is a cartoon cake. Just showed you how to make 3D basically. You can see that. That's a standing cake right there. And we have, that's 9 videos, right? Yes. All these videos are made by the SLV and they've been there on the website. We have brought it here for you just for a short time. If you don't get on board, well, I don't know. I don't know the price you'll be paying to get all these videos. Website videos, these ones are additional courses. You're going to see a lot here. Cake glaze, lollipop, so many. In fact, this is cartoon, right? Cartoon topper is right here. Get a lot from here. I don't want the video to be long, so just going to skip that. We have us face cake there, like us head rather, the 2D. Then we have here portrait cake. Now what's that? You're going to see that right now. You see this? This is cake. So you're going to get that too. Just from one package. Wait, it's not over. We have personalized pieces. It means personalized toppers with this cake. This is cashew cake tutorials with I think 3 or 4 personalized toppers. That's that. You're going to have not just that pastry class. I have 4 ready pastry here. So these courses are going to change real soon, right? The price is not forever. It's not forever. You really need to take action. You can see this edible painting, fondant. This is not forever. It's going up. So quickly, as you're looking at it, just click the link and quickly register. Message us only through our page or through the number on the caption. This boss baby, that's 3 videos. Made whipped cream. These are social courses. Brioche bread. Dough filled, there's donut filled with filling. Then we have this project standing man cake. Yes, standing man cake. And you really don't want to miss all these video tutorials right here. All this class, all like everything. For how much? Quickly click the link and get on board. Don't say, oh, I saw it, I thought it was a joke. Now you can see that it's real. So register now that is still available at this price you're seeing on the caption. Thank you.